Excuse me, is this the bus stop for Route 22?
Yes, it is. You're at the right place.
Thank you. I just moved here last week.
Oh, welcome. Are you a student?
Yes, I'm starting college today.
That's exciting. Which college?
City Central College.
Hey, I go there too. What's your major?
I'm studying English literature.
Nice. I'm in business management.
Is the bus usually on time?
Mostly. It should be here in 2 or 3 minutes.
That's good to know. Thanks for the help.
No problem. I'll see you on campus.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm sorry to bother you, but could I ask for a little help?
Sure. What do you need?
My kitchen light just stopped working, and I don't know how to change the bulb.
Oh, that's easy. I can help you with that.
Really? That would be great.
Do you have a spare bulb?
Yes, I just bought one, but I didn't know how to replace it.
No problem. Let's go check it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. It'll only take a minute.
You're a lifesaver.
No problem. That's what neighbors are for.
Hey, Aman. What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to the zoo with my cousins.
That sounds fun. I love animals.
Me too. Do you have any plans?
Yes, I'm going to watch a movie.
Oh, nice. Which movie?
A new comedy. I heard it's really good.
I like comedies too.
Maybe we can watch it together next time.
Sure, that would be great.
What else will you do on Sunday?
I'll just relax at home.
Same here. Rest is important.
Enjoy your weekend, Ria.
Hi, Aman. What do you do in your free time?
Hey, Ria. I like to draw and paint.
That's cool. I love painting too.
Really? What do you usually paint?
I paint flowers and nature scenes.
Nice. I also play the guitar.
Wow. I wish I could play an instrument.
You can learn. It's fun and relaxing.
Yeah, maybe I'll try someday.
What else do you enjoy?
I enjoy reading books and watching movies.
Same here. I just finished a mystery novel.
That sounds interesting. Tell me about it later.
Sure. Let's talk more after class.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like to open a savings account, please.
Certainly. Do you have a valid ID with you?
Yes, I have my passport and address proof.
Perfect. Are you opening the account for personal use or for salary purposes?
For personal use.
All right. Do you already have an account with our bank?
No, this will be my first one.
No problem. You'll need to fill out this form and make an initial deposit of $100.
Okay. Can I do online banking with this account?
Yes, you'll receive internet banking access once your account is active.
That's great. How long will it take to open the account?
Usually about 15 minutes once we verify your documents.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Please take a seat and I'll process your request right away. Hi there, could I please speak with the manager?
Certainly, ma'am. Is something wrong with your room?
Yes, I'm quite disappointed with the cleaning service.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. What exactly seems to be the issue?
The bathroom wasn't cleaned properly, the towels are still used, and there's an unpleasant smell.
I understand, ma'am. I truly apologize for the inconvenience. I'll have housekeeping fix it immediately.
Please make sure it's done properly this time.
Of course. I'll personally follow up to ensure everything is spotless.
Hey, can you tell me about your family?
Sure. I have a small family. There are 4 people. My parents, my brother, and me.
Oh, nice. Is your brother older or younger?
He's younger than me. He's just 10 years old, always full of energy.
I can imagine. Do you all live together?
Yep, we all live in the same house. What about you?
I have a big family. I live with my parents, my 2 sisters, and my grandmother.
Wow, that's so nice. Must be fun at home.
Yeah, we always eat dinner together. It's my favorite part of the day.
Oh, that's lovely. I like family time too. It feels so special. Hey, what's your favorite food?
I love pizza. It's so tasty. What about you?
I really like biryani. It's my favorite dish. So flavorful.
Nice. Do you cook biryani at home?
Sometimes, but my mom makes the best biryani. Seriously, it's amazing.
That's cool. I can cook noodles and eggs. Easy food, you know?
That's a good start. At least you can cook something.
True. Do you eat spicy food?
I love spicy food. I even add chili to my snacks.
Wow, you're brave. I'd be crying.
Do you like shopping?
Sometimes. I only buy what I really need. You?
I absolutely love it, especially clothes and shoes. Shopping makes me so happy.
I had a feeling. How often do you go shopping?
Well, maybe once a week. And I shop online too. It's just so easy and fun.
True. Online shopping saves time. I usually buy gadgets and tech stuff.
Nice. What did you buy last?
A phone cover. Just a simple one. And you?
A cute pink dress. It was on sale. I couldn't resist.
Haha, great deal. But hey, don't spend all your money at once.
Don't worry. I'm a smart shopper. Most of the time.
Excuse me, how much is this jacket?
It's $80.
It's nice, but a little expensive. Do you offer any discount?
Let me check. We currently have 10% off on selected items.
Is this one included?
Not yet, but I can give you a small discount if you pay in cash.
Really? That would be great.
All right. I can make it $72 for you.
Perfect. I'll take it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Would you like it gift-wrapped?
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
Sure. Just a moment.
Thank you for the discount. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new jacket. Excuse me. Did the train to City Central just leave?
Yes, it left a few minutes ago.
Oh no, I missed it again.
Don't worry. The next one comes in about 20 minutes.
That's a relief. Can I use the same ticket for the next train?
Yes, you can. Just wait on platform 4.
Thank you. I was stuck in traffic and ran as fast as I could.
It happens. At least you didn't miss the last train.
True. I'll be on time next time.
Good idea. The trains here are always on schedule.
I'll remember that. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Good morning. Is this the check-in counter for Flight 209 to London?
Yes, it is. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Is this your first time traveling abroad?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. It's very simple. You just need to go through security and immigration after check-in.
Okay. Thank you. How many bags can I check in?
You can check in 1 large suitcase and carry 1 small bag.
All right. Can I choose a window seat, please?
Of course. I'll assign you a window seat.
That's perfect. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight and enjoy your first trip abroad.
I will. Thanks again.
Hi, excuse me. Could you help me for a second?
Sure. What's the problem?
I'm trying to buy a ticket, but I don't know how to use this machine.
No worries. First, tap the screen to start.
Okay, I see it.
Now choose your destination.
I'm going to Birmingham.
All right. Tap Birmingham on the list.
Got it. Do I choose single or return?
If you're coming back today, select Return.
Okay. How do I pay?
You can use card or cash. Which do you prefer?
Card, please.
Just tap it here.
Done. Oh, my ticket's printing.
Yes, and your receipt will come out below.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.